Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I am working on my 1997 Honda Accent. This is the car I had an accident on, and I'm gonna do my best to fix it. This is gonna be part 2. In part 1 I removed the bumper reinforcement. So today what I am going to do is remove the front driver fender. I have the part right here. This is an aftermarket one. I'm hoping I can take it out and put the new one. So let's get going. I was looking at this for a while and it looks like it has a 1, 2, 3, and I think this one is number 4 right in here. This is gonna be number 4. I'm hoping it is only 4, and I think it's more. Oh yeah, 4, 5, and 6. 6 of them to remove. I have the tire. I turned the tire because I don't know if I have to remove this first. So I'm hoping that when I take out the bumper, this all comes out with it. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to take out, I'm going to be using my impact gun. Going to be using a 10mm impact socket and a swivel long extension. And what I'm going to do is remove this one first, the one inside. I'm hoping that I can take it out. There we go. So we take one out. So you see, the long extension with the swivel long extension worked pretty well in that situation. For this situation, you don't need a, you know what, I'm going to put it in a tripod for you can see exactly what I'm doing. Be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be removing 1, 2, 3, and you need a 10mm socket. That's 1. That's 2. Three. Remember, we already removed the one from the inside, so that's 4. Let's remove these 2 over here. Let me see if you can see that. Let's see if you can see me removing that. So I'm hoping when I remove these 2, everything comes out. Okay, a little bender here, so it's 5. So my hope is that when I take it out, it comes out. Watch the hood. Nope, so there's something holding it, so I gotta find what it is. So something is holding it over here, so I have to find out what it is.
He's giving us something. He's giving us some chips and ice.
All
Alright, you alright?
Yes, sir. All right.
As for you, Rosie, what's up, man?
So I'm having a little problem over here somewhere. So I'm just gonna close this up and go from there. Okay. So there's something holding it in the bottom. Oh. Gonna show you there's another bowl under that's holding it. So let me see if I can take it out the let me see, because I want you to see this. So we remove all those, but there's also one all the way in the bottom in there. So here we go, my friends. I have to change the socket to a short one, and this bowl I was talking about is right here, this one. So I'm hoping that once I take that out, the whole fender comes out. Hopefully it doesn't fall on me because I'm in the floor. Make sure you use safety. Make sure you use your glasses. So that came out, and my hope is that the whole fender comes out. Okay, there's something else holding it down there. Something else holding it down there. I don't know what it is. Maybe if I pull it hard enough. Okay, I'm having a little problem. Oh, okay, you got some plastic things here. That's what it is. Okay. So, let me see if I find. Use this right here. So these plastic things is also holding it. I'm gonna have to get some new ones. You don't care if the fender scratches because you're replacing the new one. Alright, so that one is off. Okay, so there's one screw in here. I'm hoping that it's also a 10. Okay, that one is off too. Also, all right, for the third time. Hopefully the bumper comes out now. The fender, excuse me. Still something is holding it here. That's gone. It's this one holding it right here. There it goes. So the whole thing just came out. Okay, baby. Look, Mama, I got it out.
Got it out?
Yeah, that got it out. So that wasn't that bad. Only thing it looks like, right here, baby. This right here looks like it's bent. So let's see once we put the new one. Once we put the new one in, how would it look? All right. So take this plastic off. Now you know what? Let me leave it there because it's not bothering. All right, so we're gonna put the new fender now. Let's see. Let's go get it. So what we're gonna do is first put this.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
can you help me here?
Wow.
There's a busy buggy.
There's a bee over there.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to give me some time, baby, because I gotta put this in, okay? Gotta. The hose is not really matching, Rose. It's not there? Okay. So you good? Okay.
Where'd it come? I'm eating a strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
So I guess we have to put the inside bowl first. So what I'm looking at, it seems that I have to put this one in first, the bowl that goes in there, for it can line up, and then I can put these on. So my daughter's gonna hold the camera for me. Come in this side, Mama. You know what?
I'm your camera girl.
Yeah, you are my camera girl, but I don't know how we're gonna do it. So I'm just gonna put that one back, and I'm hoping that once I put that one back, the fender lines up with the other one. So we'll be right back. All right, my friends, I have a helper. This is the problem with buying aftermarket stuff. The hose doesn't match. I'm gonna try to drill them in. If not, I'm gonna try to pull them in first. If not, I'm gonna have to drill the hole bigger.
Okay.
So we're gonna put this in first.
Put them each one first. So when you
This one.
put them like one here, one there.
Wait.
So it's gonna be moving. So when you do these, they in there a little bit.
You can't
You
see.
get what I'm saying? So when you do screw,
Don't see.
All the screws there, man.
and just one arm.
There goes one head. I had them there, probably dropped.
That's what I'm saying. So just have it ready. So it don't go
Let's put
off.
this one first. It's all right. Okay. We're missing one. So all I'm gonna do is just,
How about we skip together?
so this has to go up. There you go. Okay. So the bottom right here,
How about we
you have to bring it up. That's where I got hit at. Just pick this up a little. There you got it.
Okay, horse. Ready to
Ready?
do it
Watch your eyes.
with the horse? Wait. Sit around, horsey. Huh? No, that's the horse on me. Ready? Right!
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, we'll get it in.
No, you can't see. Why I was cheating?
Okay, Rose. You're right on the way of the camera.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go in there.
You can't cheat.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, they just gotta pick this up.
Wait, don't take this
See,
off.
that one went beautiful. It's this one that's giving me the problem.
Don't take it off. Okay?
Because it's strict.
You look
Yeah, just gotta find another one. That's all.
okay. Throw it to me.
Beautiful.
Don't throw it. Throw it sitting. Sit. Good. Sorry.
Beautiful. That's it. Yeah. So we have to bend this because that's where I got hit at, and this was bendy.
Try to get me.
Are we missing one more? The one I lost here?
Try to get me.
All right. Yeah, I got another one.
Yeah, you win. Okay. Run over
Yeah,
there.
man. Thank you. sharp.
Stop,
Let me
stop,
see.
stop. Like that.
How it looks, my YouTube friends? It's pretty good, huh? Woo! Got my friend helping me out over here.
What?
Okay. Just right here.
Oh, that's why.
All right, my friend, you see it? We put it in, but it's the aftermarket one. So the hose wasn't really matching. So I had to move it around a little bit, as you can see. Also, the first one you have to put in is the one inside here. And then the one in the bottom is the one that adjusted for the door. Open the door for a minute. Show him what's going on with the door. So what's going on with the door is because I have to make adjustments in the bottom and and to push it out. See, the door is not opening completely. Go ahead.
I don't want to bend.
Yeah, that's okay. Right there, that's good, right there. You see it's hitting here. So what's happening is we gotta adjust the bottom, but the bolt that's in there, I believe is stripped. So we're just gonna go with a bigger one. If not, I'm just gonna have to make that hole a little bigger. And then what's gonna happen? We're gonna adjust it this way, and it should be good. The only worry I have now is when I get the light, is the light is gonna fit properly in there, because we have to make adjustments. So the next thing we have to do is just put these things back in. I'm gonna put them back on. So just remember, when you remove it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, the one inside, 5, the one in the bottom. Then you have to remove these clips right here. The clips and the 10mm bolt that was in here. And that's about it. Oh, and don't forget these other 2 right here. 1, 2. We had to bend it back because that's where I got hit and it went in. So me and my friend, we bend it. And now it's working properly. So it looks pretty good. There goes the old one. Right there. And there goes the new one. It's looking much better, my friends, right? So hopefully when I get the bumper reinforcement, I already have the bumper. I'm going to put the bumper. I'm waiting for the light. And I think it's looking pretty good. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go and get the bolt for that. Fasten those up. And my car should be looking good. Once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. Or contact me at nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. You want to say something, my friend?
He's the greatest, trust me. I'm starting to learn from him. He does what he do, and he's very good.
Thank you, my
Peace,
friend.
y'all.